So I'm incredibly pale, so a lot of times when I try to put on bronzer or something, it just looks like dirty. It doesn't really look...
I know, right?
Yeah.
Like, yes. I never get to see daylight. Yeah. I try it too.
I try.
But I have tried it and come out orange or just dirty.
Dirty.
Yeah. You just look dirty.
Exactly.
Like you fell over and got like dirt all over.
Yeah. Exactly. And I have a 3-month-old, so I'm super pale now.
Oh my gosh, you must be so busy.
Yes,
I'm so happy we sprang you.
Yes. Woo. That's it. All right, so here's the trick. Yeah, number one, like you were just saying, it makes you look dirty. Number one, sparkly is out. Okay, so sometimes people sell you sparkly bronzer, you end up looking like an orange disco ball. That is not the way to do it. Number two, you don't take it. It's not wall-to-wall carpeting. You don't put it all over your face. So here's a couple of tips on application, because that's really going to change the game. First and foremost, you get a little product. Believe it or not, you want to start behind your ear. You don't want to go right here on the apple of the cheek. Why? Because see how much product you have there?
Oh,
you want this. If you make a mistake, you hide it behind your ear. You don't necessarily want to take it and put it right in the middle of the face. So you go like so, and you want to go, Rachie, all around the face, the perimeter of the face, where the sun would naturally hit you.
Down your neck, right?
Yes.
So you don't look like two different colors.
You got it, girl. Yeah. That's it. So around the face is going to give you that beautiful, healthy glow. Blend it into your hairline, then go all over, just with a little bit left over. That's going to make it look natural. Here's another quick tip. Don't forget your ears. And I know that sounds crazy.
I know.
But right, you see it. Now you're going to watch TV and you're going to see people with brown faces and white ears. And you're saying, Mally told me that.
It does. It looks so weird. Like when they move their hair, when they turn, you'll see they got a white ear in their face. Brown.
Exactly. So all around the face, less is more. And don't forget your ears. Nice. All right? There you go.